Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about Nike's 2019 Betrue Collection. Every year, Nike comes out with a collection of sneakers and merch that represents the LGBTQIA community. This year, they're showing homage to Gilbert Baker. He's the guy that designed the rainbow flag that represents the LGBTQIA community. The shoe that I have today are the Nike Tailwind 79s. But before we get into this shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys will be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. I know y'all tired of me talking, y'all excited for this shoe, y'all came here to see the shoe, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go, Nike Tailwind 79 from that Betrue Collection. Let's get into the shoe. Alright, on the front, we got the gray suede right here, going up to the white see-through mesh that goes into the black right here, which is a Nike swoosh. We got the white sole with the black bottom going all the way around the shoe. On the back panel, we got the gray suede right here. Then you have the LGBTQIA flag. You have Nike written in black. Go around to the other side of the shoe. You have the same see-through mesh with the white that goes into the black Nike swoosh. Then you go right here on the tongue. You have a pink tongue. And then you have Nike written in white, black, and pink. And then you have white shoestrings. On the inside of each sole, I'll show you guys that. On the inside of each sole, it has different things. So overall, I think this is a great representation of the LGBTQIA community. I think it's a great thing that Nike, they take on challenges like this and design stuff and give people that represent that flag something, something to wear that represents them, so they could, feel comfortable, rocking their stuff. And you gotta give Nike their props because they always do the right thing by the people. That's one thing you can say about Nike. They always do the right thing by the people. And this is just a clean shoe. I like this shoe. This is the shoe. When I seen this shoe, I was like, this shoe is clean, man. I remember a couple years back they came out with the Vapor Max for the Betrue Collection, and that was a dope shoe. But this one was clean, man, and it wasn't that expensive. It had a $100 price tag, which was good. It wasn't that bad, so I figured I'd try to get my hands on it. They popped up on the sneakers app. I actually hit on the sneakers app, but I looked on the website later on, and they still had sizes on the website. So if you guys are looking for this shoe, you guys should still be able to find this shoe on Nike.com or whatever the case. Or you can just go to your local Nike store and they should still have this shoe in stock. But I think this shoe's clean, man. Like, let me know if you guys agree, man. Leave it in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. I think this shoe is one of the cleanest shoes out of the pack this year, out of the collection. And they also got some dope merch to go with it, man. So if you guys want to, do the whole flag thing, if that's what y'all want to do, y'all can do that. Nike made it possible. They give y'all sneakers, they give y'all shirts, and things like that, man. But y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, man, I'm gonna give this joint 4 out of 5 pennies. This is a good shoe that you can wear in the summertime. As you can see, you got the mesh going way around the shoe. I wouldn't recommend that you wear this shoe in the wintertime, but this is definitely a shoe that you can wear in the summertime and get some looks, man. It's just clean and comfortable, man. That's stuff that I like to look for in the summertime. Clean and comfortable shoes. It's something I can throw on and just keep it pushing, man. But let me know what you guys think. I give it 4 out of 5 pennies. Let me know what you guys think, man. But before we get out of here, I'm gonna need you guys to please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that like button. And with that being said, we're keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.